Remember the story of Narad Muni passing by the tree where the three sadhus were meditating? The first sadhu said, Narad Muni, you are Trikaldasi, you see the past, present, and future. How long will it take me to become enlightened? Narad looked inside. He said, it's going to take you 10,000 years. 10,000 years? Oh no, exclaimed the sadhu. Second sadhu said, how long will it take me to get enlightened? Narad Muni looked inside and said, it's going to take you 25,000 years. Oh no, complained the second sadhu. The third sadhu said, Narad Muni, how long is it going to take me to get enlightened? And Narad looked inside and he said, it's going to take you 50,000 lifetimes. And the sadhu said, you mean I'm going to make it? He was enlightened at that moment because two of the sadhus meditating looked at the glasses half empty, and he looked at the glasses half full.